Hey there, folks. We're going down the rabbit hole again today with Suno. Suno has just released an amazing new feature called Sample. Now, I don't know exactly what it does. I want to have a bit of a play with it and see what its capabilities are. So, sampling is something that you can do to one of your own songs. Back in the day, we'd go and sample music and put them into our MPC players, and we can go and chop it up in Logic Pro and trigger different sound effects from it. But this is a whole different way of looking at it. Totally different perspective. We don't actually have full control over it. We're just going to provide the audio and away we go. So let's quickly run into the library and we want to look for, I think it's this one. Let's have a quick listen.
One name you make it. That's
the one. That's my boy Sam. We're going to go over here. Now, if you look over here on the right-hand side, you'll see there's a new option right here that says sample this song. It's still in beta mode, so it may not even make it. But let's click it and see what happens. So then Suno will take you to the Create tab. And this is where the audio has been added. Let's have a quick listen.
I want to take him, but him look Brazil. Him gafe, so says it's so Brazil.
Okay, so I want to just use a small bit of sample. I don't really need a lot to sample with. I'm just going to go in and zoom in there. Now, if I wanted to tidy that up, just click and hold the end button there and see if that's what we're after. Then we're going to go and audition that.
Him, but him look Brazil. Him gafe, so says it's so Brazil. Hey, look out.
Okay, so that's the sample that we're going to use. Now, because of the accent, we want to use some phonetics. So, in our chorus, now that we've got the lyrics in, let's go and add the style. I've already got a style already used before. The dub reggae, energetic brass, island instruments, and percussion. I've also got a hyperfocus on DJ scratching. In our advanced options, we're going to say it's a male. We're going to keep the weirdness down to maybe 20%. The style influence is definitely going to be high. Let's make that 80%. And the audio influence, let's just keep it about 40%. So let's click create and see what all the fuss is about in Suno. All right, Suno has generated 2 variations of Savage Dub V2 using our samples. So we've got our sample in here. We've added our lyrics. We've added some styles. We've also set some parameters in the advanced options. And here we go. What are we going to listen to?
Which way, brother? What are you reckon? Yeah, blow you, but you take him. I want to take him, but him look Brazil. Him gafe, so says it's so Brazil.
Okay, so off the bat, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty amazing, Suno. You've just blown my mind again. How did it do that? Let's keep going.
Rebella, when are you making? Yeah, but you know the you take him. I want to take him, but him look Brazil. Him that's so Brazil.
I'm quite confident he'll be very happy with that. Let's move on to variation number 2 and see where that goes.
When are you making?
Okay, so did you hear the intricate cuts, the intricate scratching of the DJ at the beginning of that track? Let's just rewind that back so you can hear Suno generate something that, for me, is not your standard instrumentation. It's a art form that was developed out of moving a vinyl record back and forth. It's quite amazing.
When are you making? Blow you, no ball on you, take him. I want to take him, but him look Brazil. Him got face, so says it's so Brazil. Yo, breathe. I want to take him, but him look Brazil. Him got face, so says it's so Brazil.
Wow. Suno, you've outdone yourself. That is phenomenal. Okay, so there's an indication of Suno doing sampling. It's using the audio that I've allowed it to go and cut and paste and then edit what it's cut and paste into the track. So then you've got different timbres, different tones, different pitch. There's a variety of differences in there straight away. Dude, that's phenomenal. Wow, Suno and sampling. There's a sample feature in Suno. Go and use it. Grab one of your old tracks and take the audio and put it back into Suno and ask Suno to sample it and give it back to you in a whole new light. If you found any of this content educational or you like any of this content, please share it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'm confident I will see you as we continue down this rabbit hole of all these great videos about Suno. I'll see you in the next one.